Do you study English every day, but still feel stuck? You read dictionaries, but nothing stays in your head. You write down single words on flashcards. Apple, book, car. You memorize them perfectly. But soon, you have hundreds of single words floating in your brain. It feels completely overwhelming. You know the words, but when it is time to speak, your mind goes completely blank. Translating word by word takes too much time. You feel stressed and frustrated when people wait for you. You try to speak, but you sound like a robot. The other person is confused. Learning a single word is like holding one puzzle piece. It has no meaning by itself. If you try to force single words together, the grammar is often wrong. They just don't fit. Many students give up here. They think English is too hard to learn. But you are just using the wrong method. So, what is the secret to speaking English fast and naturally? The secret is not learning more single words. It is learning something much better. Native speakers do not think about single words. They think in chunks.
What is a chunk? A chunk is a small group of words that always go together. It is like having a few puzzle pieces already connected for you. You don't have to build it from scratch. When you look closely at chunks, they have their own rhythm and flow. Stop writing down single words on your whiteboard. Let's try a completely new way. Erase all those single words from your memory right now. Instead, look for word groups. Learn them as one big block of sound. Just like train cars linking together, words in a chunk travel together smoothly. For example, don't learn how, are, and you. Learn the chunk. How are you? Learning grammar rules can be boring and very confusing for beginners. When you learn chunks, you can throw the grammar book away. The grammar is already built inside the chunk. You just listen, repeat, and remember the whole phrase naturally. Let's look at a real-life example. Imagine you were at a coffee shop. Don't think about verbs and nouns. Just use the chunk. I would like a coffee, please. Chunks help you travel the world with confidence and high energy. If you are lost in a new city, you don't need to panic. Just use the chunk, where is the station? Where is the hotel?
It is so easy. You change one word at the end and you have a perfect sentence. Chunks make texting your friends faster and easier too. Instead of, I will see you at a later time, just say the chunk, see you later. How do you find these magical chunks? You find them everywhere. Watch your favorite YouTube videos or movies. Listen to how actors group words together. Read simple stories or comic books. You will see the same chunks repeated over and over. When you hear a good chunk, write the whole phrase down in your notebook. Very soon, you will feel like a champion. Speaking English will become a habit. You will look in the mirror and love the confident English speaker you have become. Having a conversation will no longer be scary. It will be a piece of cake. Your brain will easily juggle different phrases without translating from your native language. Your vocabulary will grow naturally, just like a well-watered plant. Practice just 3 new chunks every day. In a month, you will know almost 100. You will sound smarter, more polite, and much closer to a native speaker. Speaking English will finally feel relaxing, like listening to your favorite song. Does that sound good to you? Start using chunks today. Take a mental picture of this lesson. It will change how you learn forever. Remember the golden rule: never learn a word alone. Always learn words with their friends. Chunks are the key to fluency. So drop the flashcards, learn chunks, speak naturally. Keep this secret weapon close to your heart and your English will improve beautifully. Thank you for watching. Subscribe for more tips and see you in the next video.